In the quest for a more organized and clutter-free life, tackling the chaos of a messy closet can be a daunting task. However, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a bit of planning and some handy tips, you can transform your closet into a well-organized haven. Let's explore some creative and effective decluttering and organizing ideas for your closet. Before diving into the process, it's essential to gather the necessary supplies. Make sure you have some sturdy boxes or bins, trash bags, and labels on hand. These will be your trusty companions during the decluttering journey. Now, let's get started. Take a deep breath and mentally prepare yourself for the task at hand. Begin by emptying your closet completely. This step might feel overwhelming, but it's crucial to see everything you've got and to reassess what is worth keeping. Next, sort your belongings into 3 main categories: keep, donate/sell, and trash. Be honest with yourself and ask whether you have used or worn each item in the past year. If the answer is no, consider parting ways with it. Remember, a clutter-free closet means less stress and easier decision-making when getting dressed each morning. As you go through each item, consider its value to you and the joy it brings. If it's an item with sentimental value, but rarely sees the light of day, think about finding a special place for it outside of your closet. This way, you can free up space for the things you use daily. Once you've determined what stays and what goes, it's time to give your closet a thorough cleaning. Dust off the shelves, wipe down the hangers, and vacuum the floor. A clean slate will make it easier to envision an organized space. Now comes the fun part: organizing your belongings in a way that maximizes space and efficiency. Start by installing shelving or hanging organizers if your closet doesn't already have them. These additions can provide extra storage solutions for smaller items, such as accessories or folded clothes. Consider using storage bins or baskets to group similar items together. This not only keeps your closet neat, but also makes it easier to find what you need. Label each bin or basket to prevent confusion and maintain order. When it comes to hanging clothes, try grouping them by type or color. Categorizing your wardrobe can help you locate items quickly and create a visually pleasing arrangement. Use matching hangers for a neat and uniform look. To optimize space on your closet floor, consider incorporating storage solutions such as shoe racks or hanging organizers. This keeps your shoes easily accessible and reduces clutter. If floor space is limited, you can also utilize the back of the closet door with an over-the-door shoe organizer or hooks for hats, scarves, and bags. Another handy trick is to make use of vertical space. Install hooks or a hanging rack on the walls to support items like belts, ties, or long necklaces. This helps prevent tangling and makes them readily visible. To maintain a well-organized closet, it's important to establish a system for regular tidying and maintenance. Set aside time each season or every few months to reassess your belongings and make any necessary adjustments. This will prevent clutter from accumulating and keep your closet functioning efficiently. In addition to these decluttering and organizing strategies, keep in mind the golden rule of a streamlined closet: one in, one out. Whenever you purchase a new item, consider letting go of something else to maintain equilibrium and prevent clutter from creeping back in. Remember, decluttering and organizing your closet is a process. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every small victory along the way. It's not just about creating a visually pleasing space, but also about finding joy and at ease in your everyday life. So roll up your sleeves, put on some music, and dive into the world of decluttering and organizing your closet. Before you know it, you'll have a serene and functional space that reflects your personal style and helps you start each day on the right foot.